Human rights.
Thank you, Mr. Vice President. This august body has adopted numerous resolutions acknowledging the role of the national institutions for the protection and promotion of human rights under the BDFA. However, the interim government of Bangladesh sacked all the members of the National Human Rights Commission on 7th November 2024 for highlighting a rise in mob beating, rape, political harassment, assault on political leaders and other violence act in its newsletter in October 2024. As of today, new members of the National Human Rights Commission of Bangladesh have not been appointed, which is an unacceptable example of negligence towards its responsibility. Regrettably, the Global Alliance of National Human Rights Institutions failed to take measures to suspend the National Human Rights Commission of Bangladesh on the grounds of non-existence of the Commission itself after I filed a complaint on 8 November 2024. 2 days back, on 20th September, 3 indigenous peoples were shot dead, 40 others were injured in the Chittagong Hills region by the Bangladesh army while protesting against no justice for the gang rape of a 14-year-old indigenous girl on 23rd September. In the last 1 year, Bangladesh has witnessed 637 mob lynching deaths, targeting of 878 journalists, over 2,000 acts of violence against religious minorities, and of course, over 500,000 cases against the political opponents. The need for functioning National Human Rights Commission in Bangladesh cannot be stressed enough. We therefore urge the Council and the Government of Bangladesh to immediately appoint all members of the National Human Rights Commission. Thank you, Mr. Vice President.
I thank you, sir.